Hey viewers, today I'm going to show you how to replace the shift cable in SRAM MRX Plus 3.0 grip shift shifters. It's not real obvious, but it's actually pretty easy. I'm going to cut the shift cable where it goes down the down tube. Now I can pull back the housing away from where it goes into the shifter like this, exposing the cable. Now here's the not so obvious part. They hide it. Right on the grip shifter here, right underneath where the numbers are, there's like a little bit of rubber flap here. Go ahead and use like a small screwdriver or something like this. If you kind of pull this back a little bit, you can see the head of the shift cable. So now if you go ahead and just push the shift cable through where it goes into the shifter, you can go ahead and just pull this out now, like that. Now to install the new cable, it's going to go in where the old cable came out. So pull that piece of rubber back. The cable needs to go in sort of at an angle in. You got to push it in, and as you're pushing it in, it might help to just kind of rotate it around and kind of wiggle it in and out a little bit. And then it'll eventually come out through the barrel adjuster here. When it comes out through the barrel adjuster, pull it through until the head of the cable is seated into the shifter again. Now once you get past that tricky bit of business, the rest of it is really straightforward. Just run it into the cable housing and then run it back to the derailleur, hook it up to the derailleur just like you would any other shift cable. Pretty straightforward, but that is how to install a shift cable into a SRAM MRX Plus 3.0 grip shift shifter. Hopefully you found that useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button. Be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post a ton of stuff over there, and thank you guys very much for watching.